Alright, on this video I want to tell you about what I did. I did the spark plugs on it, and it was missing, so I did the spark plugs. There wasn't no check engine light or anything, and yeah, I got done and it started missing again, and I had to do some studs on the cold packs to get the cold packs tightened down, and they are still missing. So I got searching on the internet and realized I needed to change the boots to the cold packs. And I didn't make a video. I was aggravated with the car. That was one of them fuck you moments. And yeah, now I can spin a tire. Stop.
Too bad the little 240 ain't home. Give him a little call out.
But I just pretty much just wanted to show, to let whoever's watching know that if your car's missing on the BMW E34, this is 95 525i and 2.5 liter. I think it's the M50 motor. I ain't sure. But yeah, check it out. Do your research, man. It always pays.